Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to record your desktop with software. First of all, you need SVID. SVID is a desktop recording software. It's probably no one in its kind. So, first of all, let me tell you, I'm recording with SVID recorder. And as you can see from the quality, it's really good. Now let's move on to SVID. So you can download SVID, I'll give you the link. If you subscribe to SVID, they give you updates of your version so you can update your software. SVID is really cool because whenever you record your project or video, whatever it is on your computer, what it does is you can straight away upload it to YouTube. That's what most people would like to prefer to do. And when you try to upload it up to YouTube, what it has is 3 buttons there. So it's 300p, 320ph, 700ph. So 700 is really high quality, but it's not. But it will take some time to upload. 320p, which is the lowest one, it takes short time to upload, but it's really crap. The quality is crap. The medium one is alright, but I would always prefer to go to the highest one. Sorry about that. Excuse me. I would always recommend and prefer to go to that. Pick that. And what else you can do is that you can draw on your screen and you can put stuff onto your screen. So I could say fail. There you go. So if you want to make one of those funny videos and then you go like you're failed, so you can have one of these, or you could just add arrows. See, that's how cool it is. You can do lots of stuff with it actually, but the main thing is that you can do this, whatever you like. Yeah, and it's really easy to use. Basic. You can edit it. You have a text editor, so you can add text to it. You have recording editor. You can even add music into your videos. But unfortunately not your type of music, so not the specific music that you would like, but music which SVID gives you for free, which will count as for your own made up thing on YouTube. Like I said, you can draw on it. There's comments. Look, everywhere. Okay, the text and the speech synthesizer. So if you want to do like a video about for deaf people and you see there's like a lip reader or whatever you're doing like that, then you can. It's really good for that too. It helps your speech get clearer. It's really good. What else it can do is you can change, you can cut places of it. Whenever you've written off your text, it just fades away, like I said. So yeah, SVID is the one to go with. But then on the other hand, you have Webinar Reader. That's crap. It just crashes down on my laptop. I don't know why, but it just does on Windows 7. I've got Windows 7. I wouldn't recommend getting that. It's not good quality. It's kind of hard to get adjusted with. You have to know your stuff to use that. It's not good actually, but yeah, some people, it's for clever people. Like, if you're just one of those guys who just prefer the easy way, then you just go with that. If you want to go with Webinar Arena, it's crapper than SVID, but it's just more complicated to use. So I wouldn't recommend using it. Nobody would recommend using it. So yeah, I would recommend use SVID. So thanks for watching my video, and yeah, I'm kind of like advertising for SVID, but kind of telling people, giving them tips. Yeah, so thanks for watching my video. Please comment, subscribe, and like. And if you have any problems, then you can comment on my videos, and I'll contact you. Thanks. Bye bye. See you next time.